If you guys have a lot, if you guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the thumbnail and the title in today's video, we are doing my skincare routine. Now, I wish I could do it in my bathroom, like I really wish, because obviously skincare routines, bathrooms, they just go hand in hand. But my bathrooms, I have 2 bathrooms in my home and they are ridiculously tiny, like really, really small. So unfortunately, I can't fit my cameras, I can't fit any of my lighting or anything. So we're just gonna have to do it here. But I'm really excited because, oh my God, you guys, we have a sponsor. Woo, woo, woo. You guys know that I don't do very many sponsorships here on my channel. And I have the amazing pleasure to work with the original makeup eraser. Yeah, mine is a little bit dingy, but don't worry about that. I'm going to show you guys how I use this little towel to remove all of this. And I mean, I have a full face today. We have the lashes, we have the brows, we have the eyeshadow, we have shimmer, a little bit of glitter, contour, all the shebang, and this little thing is going to take it all off. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this and why I like it. I'm also obviously going to be showing you the products that I use during nighttime to achieve very clear, very healthy, very glowy looking skin. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so first things first, we definitely want to pull the hair back. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot. I have really long hair, so for me it's almost impossible to wash my hair or my face and my hair not come all over the place. So I'm just going to take my little liguita, and I like to do my hair in a ponytail. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. And then I'm going to start off by taking my jewelry. In this case, I only have earrings on, and I always wear like super big earrings, so those gotta come off. Once the earrings are off, you guys know the second best thing to coming home after a long day, first of all, taking off your bra, yes, and second of all, taking off your lashes. Next up is removing our makeup, and I'm going to use my cute little cheetah makeup eraser. They have different colors if you guys are interested. They have like peach, pink, I think they have a blue one, and they have this really pretty tropical one. But I've always loved cheetah, so this is the one that I use. Now, if you guys are not familiar with makeup eraser, I actually found out about them because of one of my best friends, Allison. If you're watching this, girl, thank you for getting me hooked on these. Okay, she's the one that told me. She's like, "Have you tried that makeup eraser little thing?" I was like, no, I've never used it. I'm so used to using wipes and an oil to exfoliate or to like cleanse off my skin. And she's like, you should try it. You don't have to use wipes. It's eco-friendly, which is amazing, and it's reusable. And I was like, what? Why did I not know from this earlier? So now that I have the chance to work with makeup eraser, and I've been trying it for a few weeks now, oh my God, it made such a huge difference. To be honest, I was a little bit skeptical. I'm like, I don't know, this looks a little bit gimmicky. Like, you think this is really gonna work? It works. The cool thing is that you can just throw it in your washer and you can just keep using it and using it. This is good for 3 to 5 years. That is a long time. Now, once you get your little makeup eraser, this brand is sold. I've seen it pretty much everywhere. I will have links, of course, of where you can purchase it, but the first thing you want to do is you want to throw it in the washer, because this is going to activate the fibers within the towel, and trust me, it's going to make a difference. The first time that I got mine, I was like, I'm too lazy, like I don't need to wash it, and I just washed, I tried to scrub my face, and it came off, but I noticed that it tugged my skin a little bit, so then I was like, okay, I'm going to throw it in the washer. Threw it in the washer with my regular clothes, washed my face that night, and oh my God, I was like, yeah, I was like tugging at my skin for nothing. So it has 2 different sides. This side, as you can see, it doesn't have the tag, right? So this side, apparently it has short fibers. Now what you want to do is you want to put this under warm water. You want to soak this, and then you just wring it out. So again, on this side where it has the short fibers, this is going to be perfect for removing like your makeup. You just want to go in circular motions, and then if you want to exfoliate, you turn it around to this side. As you can see, I use this side a lot, especially around my nose, to really get deep into my pores. this is the side that you want to use to exfoliate. So mine is super wet, and I have a little bowl here. Literally, you want to get it as wet as you possibly could. So I'm going to take this side first, and I'm just going to... And I'm actually only going to do half of my face so you guys can see how crazy. I mean, do you guys see that? Oh, and if you guys wear a lot of eyeshadow like me and you have a hard time with it coming off, all you have to do is just like hold it for maybe like 5 seconds. And then you just want to remove it in circular motions. Obviously, be careful. The eye area is a very delicate part of our skin, or our skin is very delicate. And that's pretty much gone. Now that pink is actually staining from the Morphe palettes. Pinks and purples usually do that to your skin, unfortunately. Do you guys see what a difference? Like, this is all water, okay? Full glam. That looks so weird. Full glam. Hi, hello, how are ya? Good night, y'all. Wow, look at that. What a difference. I hate that my eyes look so red now. Okay, so now onto this side, which again, if you guys forget, just look at the tag. The tag is going to tell you. This is the exfoliating side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, and I'll just go in circular motions. Now, obviously, this isn't going to be my last step to my skincare routine, but I like to try and remove as much makeup as I can. When I was talking to the team at Makeup Eraser, they gave me some information to check out, and I saw this little article, I guess I want to call it, and it said that it takes 100 years, okay, 100 years for a disposable little wipey to like break down in a landfill. And I was like, I probably use 100 wipies in like 2 months, and they take 100 years to dispose. What am I doing? Okay, so now I feel pretty good about my skin not having much makeup residue. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a cleanse. I like to cleanse my face. I don't always exfoliate, but I do cleanse my skin every night. I love this one, the Drunk Elephant Basti number 9 Jelly Cleanser. It doesn't strip my natural oils, and it's very gentle because I have extremely sensitive skin. And I like to use this multi-fun little thing. I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. But it's just a little silicone brush. I used to use the Sonic Clear, but I always forget to buy new brushes, and I just get grossed out because I feel like it's like a germ fest inside the brush head if you don't change it after 3 months. So I decided to switch to a silicone brush. Now, if you guys saw my very last video that I did about skincare, it was a drugstore skincare video. I mentioned how I don't like to go in exactly with water. I like to just go in with my cleanser. I just feel like the water creates a barrier between the skin and your cleanser, and this is just more direct. I will also bring it down here to my neck because I do add contour to my jawline. So now I'm going to go ahead and just wash my face, and I'll be back in just 1 second. So after that, I'm going to take my vitamin C brightening booster. This is the one that I've been using for a few months. We got this in a BoxyCharm a few months back. Vitamin C is super good for your skin because it has a lot of antioxidants and a lot of anti-aging properties, which again, I am trying to prevent every single one of those. And of course, don't forget your neck. Then after that, I am going to take a product that has literally transformed my skin. This is the Purple Rain Glow Serum by Truly Organic. I am like this close to just buying their entire skincare line because honestly, it's amazing. I just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops, and I'm just going to rub it on the skin. So before I go in with my eye cream, it depends on how my skin is feeling. Usually I will leave it like this, but my skin has been a little bit on the dry side, so I am going to take my Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. Glow Recipe has some of my absolute favorite products, and this goes a long way, so you don't need a lot. I literally just pick it up with the back of my nail, and this is a pretty thick cream. And I'm just going to start on this side of my face. For my eye serum, I'm going to take my Saturday Skin... Ooh, ooh! And I almost dropped that. Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream, which is this one right... Oh, that matches my robe and my background. And I just do half a pump because this is a thicker consistency cream. And I'm just going to apply it with my wedding ring finger. To finish off everything, right before I go to bed, I take my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, which is this one. And I just use a tiny bit because this one's pretty thick too. Skin is prepped, eyes are prepped, lips are prepped, and we are done. My skin looks and feels so amazing the next day, and I definitely have to say that the makeup eraser has cut back on my skincare routine by a lot, because I can also use this one, or I actually also use it to remove my masks, and my skin loves it. So that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. Really quickly, I wanted to let you guys know that if you guys are interested, which I know you will, we are doing a giveaway! Yay! Makeup Eraser was generous enough to let me pick one winner to win the makeup eraser. If you guys want to be entered to this giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to the Makeup Eraser YouTube channel. You also like this video and leave me a comment, and it's easy as that. I will also list the rules and all that fun stuff, all the products that I use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine, and I would love to know what your skincare routine consists of. Thank you for watching. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye!